I'm Dr. Melissa Tischler. I am a physical therapist at METRO Physical Therapy. I'm also an aquatic therapist. The benefits of aquatic therapy is that with the water, with the hydrostatic pressure, you are unlifted. So anyone who's experiencing any arthritis, whether it's knees, hips, even arthritis in your back, you can benefit from the water. Aquatic therapy can also be beneficial for those who have experienced a neurological incident that includes TBI, stroke. Even Parkinson's can benefit from the aquatic therapy. It also is good for tone. So people who are experiencing high tone, the heat of the water kind of helps relax that tone. And actually patients who are experiencing that high tone actually feel more relaxed and get, some relief. Most patients I see in the pool are patients with low back pain, either from stenosis or herniated discs. With the unweighting of the body, with the hydrostatic pressure, you actually don't feel as much pain when you do the exercises, so you can strengthen and better support your back or your joints. I do see a lot of total knee replacements, total hip replacements. This is good to get back into that weight bearing and be able to walk. We do see a lot of patients who've experienced a stroke, but with the heated water, it improves with tone. It helps them strengthen and get back to functional movement, going from sitting to standing, doing stairs and walking. We do a lot of, since our pool is bigger, we do a lot of gait analysis in the pool, improving weight bearing on that affected limb. If you need a physical therapist in the water, we do have therapists go in the water to help anyone who's a little afraid of the water or have balance issues. The pool here at our Garden City location is a heated, primarily saltwater pool. So the heat is beneficial with improving flexibility, relaxing muscles, especially sore muscles. It makes you feel very good after leaving the session.
And so my name is Yashika Wilson. I found METRO Physical Therapy by an exhaustive search online looking for aquatic therapy. I think aquatic therapy is amazing, and it has amazing healing benefits for people who cannot do traditional land therapy.